Okay, let's go. Let's go. Light number 2 and 3. It's a bit too bright. Let's keep it at level 2. Okay, gents. Okay, so let's address something that has been stressing me out for the past. I don't know, man. Let's talk about something that has been stressing me for the past, I don't know, since the beginning of this year, since December last year, since like November last year. And it's the fact that I've not been posting. Let's address the fact that I've not been posting. Yes, I was supposed to be posting, but I haven't been posting anything. And main reason is I feel like I was kind of like lost for a while. So yeah, that's the main reason I haven't been posting, and I've realized that if I'm not posting anything on my YouTube channel, but I'm never really fine. I'm never really fine. It's always at the back of my head, no matter what. And so yeah, so hopefully in this next chapter of my life, I get to be able to like upload. And I've picked up that if I'm not working with schedules, I'll never really like be consecutive on YouTube. So I've decided that okay, let me start posting like every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, I'm posting a video until the end of the year. And if I'm able to do that, then maybe the year after, maybe I'll be able to even post 1 or 2 videos in a week. Hopefully, we'll just see how it goes, man. Like, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give myself a deadline that every Wednesday I must have an upload, whether it's nicely edited, whether it's boring whatsoever, as long as every Wednesday I have an upload. So that's my mission going forward. And yeah, I feel like I have been having a lot of videos that I always wanted to make, but I've not been able to make. Some of them videos I made them, I started the video, but I never really finished the video. And a lot has been happening in my life to the point where I'm like, okay, I was supposed to have a video about this. I was supposed to have a video about this. And yeah, there's just a lot of things that have been contributing, things such as my personal finances, my devices like my PC, my phone. So those things have been like holding me back, and sometimes, especially my PC, because with my PC, it was like my main to go to machine if I want to make a video. And when my PC broke, I don't know. When my PC broke, everything, I don't know. It's like my PC is my home, so yeah, I couldn't really be. I don't know. I've thought of making videos and just editing them on the phone, but still somehow I was just not making the videos. I've tried making Instagram reels here and there, but I've realized that a PC is my go-to place for editing. And yeah, I will try to make videos here and there for Instagram using phones, and then the videos for YouTube I'll be using my PC. I did not fix the PC yet, but I do believe that I'll be getting the PC fixed soon. If I don't get it fixed, I'll just scrap it, I'll just throw it away, buy another PC, because it's getting to my nerves and it's starting to stress me out. And yeah, so that's kind of like what has been holding me back. That's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos. A lot has been happening. I bought a car and whatnot. I will introduce it to the channel. I bought a car, got rid of it. So it's a long story. You guys will catch up to speed with it. I might be talking about it in the videos here and there. And yeah, there's just a lot of things that I've experienced. Some bad, some good. So yeah, there's just a whole lot of content coming up, and I have content that I'm supposed to upload, but I still have a lot of content that I need to record. So chances are the one that I missed to upload, I might never really edit it and make it into YouTube videos or whatsoever. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I'm also quite a little bit more busier than I really used to be. But now I've realized that if you are busy, I feel like you become more productive because, like, now I've been stressing about the organization in my life, and yeah, I feel like I'm starting to declutter things and put pieces together. So, this video, I'm just going to upload it just the way it is. I'm not going to be making like some crazy edits. If it's boring, it's boring, it's fine. So, yeah. Otherwise, we are good. We are going to be reviewing cars on the channel. We are going to build our own car on the channel. You said that Tyrannex that you guys know. I want to build that car. And yeah, I really would just want to take care of my car. I feel like it's something that I've always wanted to do, and if I start taking care of it, it will just make me happy. Yes, I'm doing it for you guys, for the channel. I'm doing it for the car to look good. But all in all, if that car I make it look nice, I feel like it's just going to mean the world to me. And yeah, I'm really in love with the car. I've thought of selling it to buy maybe a better car, but I looked at that car and I'm like, I don't have a reason to sell it. That guy is amazing. As much as it is, I know it's a Toyota. Toyotas are boring and whatnot, but that car, as boring as it can be, I feel like I don't see the point of buying a new car because yeah, I feel like if I just work on my car, make it look better, make it more comfortable, just whatever, I feel like it will make me more happy compared to me just uh, saving up some money and then boom, buying a new car. I don't think it's going to make me excited. And yeah, I'm also looking at other project cars. Once I finish this one, or maybe even just before I finish this one, I might end up buying another project car because at some point I already feel like I'll need a daily for the daily. Oh my god. This is just the beginning of a disaster. This is the beginning of a disaster. I'm telling you. So yeah, all in all, we are going to be talking about cars, man. See you.